Good evening, leaders. I'm sorry I'm doing this pretty late. It's about 10:24 right now, p.m. And I just decided to quickly do this before I retire for the night. There's this new, it's not really new anyway. I've used it before and it really delivered. But then it failed at a point and I abandoned it, but I decided to try it again this time around and it's working fine again. But I think I'll recommend that everybody create a recruiter account. I've dropped the link on the group already, so just go to the group and click on the link. That will take you to this page. The Hotnigeriajobs is quite tricky, so you need to know the extension for you to go, if you know the extension of where you are going to. Now, if you just want to post a job without registering, you can see at the top right corner here what they call free job post. You see it here? It says free job post. Now, this is where you need to go to if you just want to post a job without necessarily registering. But if you are going to go the way I would recommend that you do, is that you register. And to be able to register as a recruiter, you need to click on the register section. Okay, sorry, I was looking for this idiot here. Okay, so you need to go to recruiter login. So click on recruiter login to create an account. And at the bottom here, you're going to see where it says click here to create an account now. So just click on this link here, click here to create one now. That is, you don't have an account. So when you click that, you create an account using the email address that you have created for your company. So if you are using Wealthy Health Concept, for instance, now it will be wealthyhealthconcept@gmail.com. You know, the same one you usually use for your Facebook or for Indeed or wherever you use it. So just come to this place and click on that. Once you click it, you create an account. Just fill in all the details. As a matter of fact, let me go there now so I can see if there's anything I need to point out in that page. In the form. So the form is quite straightforward. Enter your name, anyone that is in asterisk. That is, if you have an X in front of it, like these ones, all these X that you are seeing in front of this one, all these ones means that it is important that you enter those details. Anyone that is not there, that you didn't put that asterisk, it means you don't need to enter them. So just fill in all the details. Fill in your first name, fill in your last name, use your own name. Don't worry about it. As for the company name, we'll deal with that later. So enter your phone number, your own phone number. Enter the email address, the corporate email address that you want to use. That is your healthywealthconcept@gmail.com or whatever. Retype the email address, then enter a password and click on sign up. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the recruiter dashboard. Now, when you get to the recruiter dashboard, your recruiter dashboard will look like this. I already registered, so I'm just going to log in quickly. So on the recruiter dashboard, you're going to have your dashboard like this. Now this is perfect. What you want to do is to post a free job. And to post a free job, just click on free job post here. Click on that free job post and you can create a job. You see, I created 2 jobs. First one is training manager that has been published already, which means it is running right now and people can see it. And customer care representative is showing me here that it's still under review, as you can see, but in actual sense, people are already applying for that too. So which means both of them have been verified right now. I can post as many jobs as I like on this hotnigeriajobs.com right now because I'm registered as a recruiter. And another thing is that I am using a domain name, a registered domain name. I'll talk about that at the end of this short video. So once you do this, all you need to do is just create a job. Now, when you are creating a job, it's just the normal basic job creation. You can get your job description from resources.workable.com here. I'm sure we all remember this. We use this all the time, resources.workable.com. So just go to resources.workable.com and then at the bottom of the page, you will see where it says job description. At the bottom of the website, there's a section where it says job description. Now here it says job description here. So just click on these job descriptions and it gives you a list of all the job descriptions that they provide for you. So when you get to that list, on that list, just find the one that you want to post. So once you have seen the one that you want to post, so assuming you want to post for, let's say senior accountant, for instance, now, which is okay, or account clerk or credit analyst, I don't like all those kind of job, all this finance job. I prefer administrative job. Administrative job makes more sense. So let's say I want to go for head of operations, for instance, no? So I just go to head of operations, copy all the jobs, starting with job brief. I'm going to allow, there's a pop-up that needs to load here. Okay, let me close that pop-up. So I'm going to start from job brief and just copy everything here. Copy everything all the way to requirements, stop it at requirements, and then pick it up, go back to the page where I'm supposed to create my job. Okay, so it says I should create, hold on, they lock me out. Okay, I think it logged me out. I don't know, I have to log back in again. So let me go back to hotnigerianjobs.com / recruiter. I'll be employer then. Sorry, I think it's okay. So it's hotnigerianjobs.com / employer. So I'll go back here and then I click on free job post. And in my free job post, I'm expected to enter all the details for the job. So I'm just going to type in anywhere we have asterisk, job position. I think the job I'm looking for is head of operations. So I'll just type head of operations. Head of operations. So I'm just going to fill all the details here. Pause the video while. So I'm taking my time to pick only those that are very, very important, like the job title, the job position title, job field, job location, and then application deadline. I chose 4 weeks expiration here. I decided not to put the salary. You can put salary if you like. So I'm just going to paste the job description here. Click on paste, go inside here again and click on paste. Click OK here and it will appear in the main box. So you've seen my job description, and here I'll just write a short summary about the company. But to make it easier, you can go to company details and create company. I already created a company, so you just click add new company or select company. Add new company if it is the first time you are doing this, then add your company there. But I already have my company, so if I click this now, it's going to autofill this place for me because I already selected what I want there. And then how to apply, send your invite, send your application. So send all applications to hr@pciconsult.com, then post job. Now this is how to post job on Indeed. Free job, on Hot Nigerian Jobs. Free job post is successful now. The moment they are applying like this, it's going to be going to my email address that I have entered here. So let me switch to the email now, so I can see what it looks like. Now this is my main mailbox. I'm going to switch to the other mailbox that I used here, hr@pciconsult.com, and here I am. So these are all the applications that have been sent in. All the applications you see here have been sent in from all these applications, and many more have been sent in from from Hot Nigerian Jobs. So if it's Indeed now, I would have seen applied at Indeed, but because I didn't see apply at Indeed, it means that they all came from Hot Nigerian Jobs. So that tells you that this actually works, and works very well. So this works, and it works fine. And as you can see, even in the last few minutes, new applications are still coming in. This one came in at 10:19. This one 10:19. This is 10:22, 10:25, 10:32, and the time is 10:35 right now. So if I refresh this page, I should still get maybe 1 or 2 additional ones. That tells you that Hot Nigerian Jobs actually works very well. But the problem with it is that your account can be, just like in Indeed too, your account can be locked. But every time your account is, disabled or locked, just open a new email address and register afresh again. Open a new email address and register. Anytime they lock you out of any of them, open a new email address and register again. So send your usual invitation like I have done to these persons. I've sent my usual invitation to them. as you can see. So I expect that they'll be there, or at least they will respond. This one has responded. A few people have responded. This one has responded that he wants, what do you call it, a video interview. I wouldn't respond to that because I'm not going to provide video interview. I don't have time to explain myself, so I'm just going to ignore that. Anyways, but if you would like a strategy that will ensure that your account is never disabled on any recruitment platform and you are never locked out of any recruitment platform, I may be able to help you with that, but it's going to cost you a little. So if you have about maybe 10,000 naira, 10 to 15,000 naira a year to invest in your recruitment platform, then I might be able to set up a system for you that will ensure that you never get disabled, you never get banned, and you never get locked out too. Having said that, I wish you all the best in your recruitment efforts. Let's do this.